Hi, so this is a quick rudimentary overview slash review of the newish SmallRig Cage for the GoPro HERO9. I know this is a fairly new product, so I'm pretty sure there's a number of people out there who's looking to buy this for their use, and hopefully I'll try to cover the features and annoyances that kind of sticks out to me. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. All right, so just typical of your SmallRig product. It's fairly solidly built. It's actually very solidly built for the price, asking price. I mean, other than the the somewhat tacky labeling, branding, again, it's very well built. You have the like the sliding switch here, so that it's reminiscent of the like the, the, the plastic cage that comes with the older Hero cameras. Oh yeah, and you cannot you have so to remove this you have to use this button, which is kind of not very smooth. It's one of the annoying things, but once you have that, only then you can remove the camera. I mean, obviously you have to remove the cover for the battery in order to have this fit in the cage, and now I couldn't fit. Yeah, very other than maybe it's just for this sample that this thing doesn't come off as smooth as I want. I mean, it's not very consistent, so again, minor thing. So it also has this flip out thingy, so that you could, so it's no additional thing. It's compatible with the GoPro mounts, but it also has the tripod mount right there, which is a nice addition. So you can use your typical standard, I think this is a 1/4 inch size tripod socket, so that's nice. So for the most part, the screen is no blocking. So screen is there. So yeah, overall it's a there's no block whatsoever. There's also no play, so it fits rather nice. There's no loose fit whatsoever. Again, typical of a SmallRig product. And it also comes with this thing, which you could stick wherever where it makes sense. So this accessory that comes with the cage is for this thing, for the head, for the mic adapter that is sold by GoPro separately. Alright, so that's it. Hopefully that helps with the helps you guys with the purchase of the SmallRig product. Again, this is fairly new. I got mine through eBay, less than $40 with shipping, $38. So it should be again very small asking price for a well-built product from SmallRig. Not sponsored. I paid for all of these. So yeah, there you go.